how to download and create Happn account. So if you want to download and create an Happn account, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Play Store. After opening your Play Store, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for Happn application. Once you search for it, now this is the application. You can just simply go and install, tap on install, and it will start the installing process. Now, it might take a few seconds or a few minutes to download the application depending on your network connection. Wait for a few seconds and it will be downloaded. You can tap on open after downloading. Now you can tap on open. After that, if you don't have an account and if you want to create, then you can go with connect with Google, which is on the bottom, and tap on accept conditions. Tap on agree and close. After that, select the Google account that you would like to use. And now you need to enter your first name. Go with next. Enter your date of birth. Go with OK. And go with the arrow which is on the bottom right. And then tap on validate. Select your gender. Go with your height, your sign, and the gender that you would like to meet. You can also skip all of these. You can go with the upper right, which has that skip option. You can add some photos. So you can choose from library. After adding, go with add photos, which is on the bottom, and tap on add photos, or go with continue, and you can enter your city of residence. You can also go and enable location, and you can enter some bio. After that, go with next, and you can also skip these questions, and after that you can allow the notifications if you want to, and that's it. Your account has been created. So that's how you can create your account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.